So you might be in a situation where for some reason ChatGPT is not utilizing that new feature where it's talking to other applications. So within ChatGPT now, we have the capability of kind of talking to apps. So we can start typing in like an application like Spotify, for example, and you'll see, ChatGPT will start to actually discover what apps we're trying to talk to, and it will allow us to go and basically use it and talk to those particular applications. Now, if it's not working for you, the first thing you need to do is update your version of ChatGPT. So go inside of your App Store or your Google Play Store, whatever you have, and just go through, type in ChatGPT just like this, and update this application. This is exactly what I had to do because I was running into this problem and it wasn't working for me. So all I had to do was update the application, and that pretty much fixed it for me right then and there. So try updating the app, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Now, if you do that and that's not working, the next thing you want to try doing is to go through and just close out of ChatGPT. So just close out of ChatGPT like this and try going back into ChatGPT after. Stuff like that, it might end up fixing the problem for you. And then you want to try typing in the application again. You have to remember, you have to type in the name of that application before and then ask the response or ask the request after. So there might be a different way to kind of get into the application portion too, but so far I haven't been able to see it. But talk to the application, type in the application, and make sure you're typing in the right way. And that's another way to go and fix the problem as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.